On the 9th of August 2025, Apostle Dr. Joe Daniels was invited in Rusape for a youth conference. This was under the Christian Marching Church. They welcomed Apostle Dr. Joe Daniels with a gift of a dance.
It wasn't so easy, but at the end, we are all happy.
We must teach you also how to explore the potential to make money. Money is not evil, but the love of money do it evil. But mvunzo woti ndiana anopinda kuda mari anayo kana asina? Sora wati vhesi revarombo. Ndikuda kuti ndichibva pano Mwari vakutakudze nyasha dzekuita mari. Usanamata Mwari nekuti wakaomerwa, but unamate Mwari because you love God. Azhinji vedu muno we are suspects. Tiri kuuya kuchechi tizoona munhu anoti viga kana tafa. Apa uzivi tiri kufa rini? Iva neukama hwakanaka nani naMwari.
We were actually humbled as a church to have him here, and we are blessed.
It was a touching message, relevant to the youth. I think it was a message for the season.
Chakanaka, thank you.
It was a great blessing to have you teaching our young youths to identify themselves in Christ.
We are ready. Apostle Dr. Joe Daniels.